Edusoft Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to create a model of 3 alternatively blinking LED using Arduino. For this experiment, we will require an Arduino UNO, 3 LED, 3 resistors, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. So, let's start building. Step 1. Insert 3 LED on the breadboard. Connect the short leg, cathode, of the LED to the negative power rail as shown here. Step 2. Take the resistors and connect one end of each resistor to the longer leg, anode, of each LED. Step 3. Use the jumper wires to connect the negative power rail to the GND pin of the Arduino. The other end of each resistor to the digital pins 8, 9, and 10. Step 4. Use the USB cable to connect the Arduino to the computer. This is the program code we are going to upload to the Arduino. You can download this code from the description or visit our official website for more technical support. Upload the code to the Arduino to see the real magic.